This is so damn ridiculous. This is literally all the gear I have to wear on my face every night in order to get a good night's sleep. Started with this sleeping mask, which makes me feel like I'm in some kind of hyperbaric chamber or something. Then I decided to add this zebra mouth tape that has a small breathing hole in the middle. Honestly, I don't know. I've been really surprised. Like, I feel like I wake up a lot more refreshed since I started wearing this tape. Supposedly, wearing this tape keeps your jaw line in the proper posture. Actually, your jaw will become more defined, which I'm totally up for, whatever. Anyway, I got this in the TikTok shop, the link below, if you want to try it out too.